Here's a room tour from our staycation in B Hotel in QC. Hey Jarelskis! You can book this through Klook. Use my code to get discounts. We stayed at their superior room with king-size bed with this magnificent view of Quezon City. Very spacious, modern, minimalist, industrial type yung room nila. There's a work area as well. Tapos may complimentary coffee and tea. Then may mini ref and of course TV. Yung sink is outside the toilet. Then there's free toiletries na rin. Then they also have a big cabinet with a safe. Then there are also bathrobes that you can use para ramdam mo yung pagkayaman mo. May extra pillow din. Then this is their bathroom na pwede mo i-open ang sarili mo to public. Ang galing nung door nila, isang door lang. It will close the entire bathroom. Tapos pwede din naman to close the shower room. The shower room was pretty spacious. May shampoo and body wash na rin. May towels na rin. Ito naman yung toilet bowl at ang importante, may bidet. For their facilities naman, they have a pool that you can use na medyo may pagka-infinity pool ang dating. Then they also have a gym na almost complete naman ang equipments. Inclusive from the room that we got was a buffet breakfast the next day. Marami din namang options at masarap din yung food nila. So kung naghahanap ka ng staycation within QC, check out B Hotel, book this through Klook, use my code and get additional discounts. Cheers!